All right, so we got a bird in the fireplace.
Wait, let me get a close-up of it. Move your butt.
You're a terrible camera person.
I can't even see in there. Oh, you can kind of see him.
See in there because
I can kind of see him. He's right here. Oh.
Open it up and look.
Yeah.
Watch out, Hank.
Hank, come here.
Hank's like snack.
Come here.
Food.
Sybil, come here. We need you to catch a bird.
How are we
Hank.
really doing this? Are we doing it that way?
I guess.
No, you put that one up to it. Open that up so you can put that on the top.
That makes sense. And then
That's what he
just,
meant.
Yeah, that makes sense.
There's gonna be 2 of those.
Hey, what time is it? Because I definitely have to be at work soon.
I don't know.
We got plenty.
We've got a bird to catch. I'm sure they'll understand.
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late. I had to catch a bird.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
3. Oh. Come here, baby. You're gonna have to coax him. Give me a. Do we have a stick?
No.
Yeah, we got a shtick.
He's not gonna want to do that.
He's gonna figure it out.
Hank, you gotta come. Hold on.
Hold on. He's right here.
Is he hopping?
Tell if he's in there. I need a flashlight.
I don't have a flashlight.
Yeah.
Sybil wants to catch the bird.
Well, I just trying to coax it in there.
Man, boy, he's thick.
He's thick, boy.
Hank.
Hank!
Hank!
Not the time. Know your audience, dude.
Hank!
They're like, ooh.
Well, they immediately went there this morning when we came downstairs.
Oh, so they've known about it all day.
Yeah.
Bird,
Well, we
come
can't
on,
figure out why
man.
they kept coming over here.
Yeah.
Babe, go grab some bird seed.
Well, what do you want me to do with the camera?
Here, hold this.
Hold it. Yeah, I kept hearing a flap over here. I was like, oh, great, we got a mouse.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Sybil's like, can I see the bird? He's angry. Angry bird. Angry birds. What the heck was that?
Get in the box, bro.
Does anybody speak bird? Where's Nathan when you need him?
She wants the bird.
We're gonna have to go in with this little box in the corner.
I'm waiting for him to fly at the top.
Shut it, Stu.
Ah! Oh, come on.
I got it. Oh, yes! Don't! What are you doing? Holy shit! What are you just putting the fucking box out here? Fuck me! I'll hold the door. You slide that sucker in there.
The whole bird almost came out. Get back.
These dogs are like, please let us eat it.
Hank!
They don't want to eat it. They just want to play around with it. It's damn hard.
Sybil, you want to kill it? I don't know.
Oh, that's...
Slide. You're caught. You're caught right there.
I don't want to be caught. Uncatch me.
Why is it not coming out?
Tip it over.
No, someone's gonna eat it.
I know, that's what I'm...
Stop it. Woo! What an adventure.
Fireplace.
Can you imagine?
All right, so we're getting ready to go check out a house.
Yeah.
Been doing some house hunting, so enjoy the ride. Here we go. You're laughing and thinking it's funny, but I'm just going to cut it out. Where are we going next, baby?
I don't know. Just drive.
Just drive. All right, here we go. Floor it.
Ow. Is it cute? Taylor's sleeping.
Probably somewhere in the Here. Honk, honk, honk. What's up? I'm just in here hanging out with the Drew of DN Creations.
What's up?
We're doing go-kart stuff, so it's going to be fun.
Oh, God. Impact it is.
Is it even go-kart stuff if you're not drinking a beer? Refreshing.
Just need a little extra. Huh. That's all holds that son bitch on there? That's interesting.
How was that ride?
Oh, it's pretty fucking awesome, dude.
Steering wheel work all right?
Oh yeah, steering wheel worked great. Give you a little bit more turning ability.
I need to get mine going. That looked like
do.
too much fun.
Oh, it'd be much funner with another person.
Have a good one. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, well, we are going to go do a flyover thing. We're going to watch it, rather, and get Dairy Queen. How you guys feeling, huh? Huh? Music.
And then into the darkness. It goes lower. No, it doesn't. There's pipes.
Currently, we're just walking through the parking garage. Boobs! Hi. I put her on the GoPro.
That's meta.
I'm trying to train her how to use a camera.
Yeah, I didn't do very well with the other one yesterday.
No, she did not do well yesterday. What? Huh? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Yeah, this is cool. Are you excited?
For what?
Yeah.
Oh, they're right there.
Look at all the poop on the windows.
Your poop?
I wish.
Poop on the windows. Bugs.
All in all, that was pretty cool, I thought. So now we're gonna go get our Dairy Queen. All right, here comes my wonderful wife with our Dairy Queen. Oh, you're pale as crap. All right, thank you.
Okay.
I don't want the spoon in my mouth. Would you like the Warthogs? The A10, sorry. A10 Thunderbird, yeah. What'd Matt order?
I don't know. I thought he ordered. I think he just now ordered.
He ordered right after you.
Yeah, but I don't think he actually took his order yet.
Oh, I don't know.
Chicken
Whatever.
bacon ranch. That sounds good from Subway.
I'm eating mini corn dogs when we get home.
I want some.
And you guys know how I like my mini corn dogs.
Share.
No. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what we want to do today. And
I don't want to go hiking.
so we're not going to go hiking. What if we set up our hammocks? What, you don't sound too thrilled about that.
Do you think Hank would sit in my hammock with me?
Outside?
I'd flip it. I can't take Sybil's if there's a squirrel, she's gonna climb the tree.
Yeah.
And then I will be on the ground. He's so cute.
Take hops.
I could! She's gonna pee on me though.
Well, figure it out. All right, here comes Matthew with his. What did you get?
I was wrong.
Animal Cookie Blizzard.
Oh, let me know if that's good.
Yeah.
And I ordered freaking.
Did you order a chicken bacon ranch?
I ordered something and she didn't. Yes, it was. And she
That's
just
what I thought.
Did you pay for it?
she just ignored me. No, I didn't pay for it, but I
Uh.
told her 3 times I wanted it and she didn't charge me for it, so I was like, whatever.
All right, so we are heading out to Fowler Park. Am I in focus? I don't know. I think I am.
I've been there.
Heading out to Fowler Park to get in some hammocking.
To
So-
suntanning.
She's gonna suntan. I'm sitting in the shade because I'm fat and I'm gonna sweat.
I'm gonna sweat regardless, already am.
So, all right, we'll see you when we get there. Bye. So we made it. We're gonna set everything up. Ooh, that's bright. My forehead is shining. So we're out at Fowler Park. Pretty good social distancing here. Pretty excited. The campgrounds are gonna tentatively open at May 15th. What were you saying?
I just claimed these 2 trees.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get set up. As soon as Matt gets over here, we'll start the time lapse. So, how cool is that, right?
You think it's sturdy?
I think that was sturdy. I don't know.
This might be too far apart though.
I'm thinking it's gonna be too far apart. If you do it, it's gonna be in the time lapse.
Dude, that would be such a good.
Are you doing it?
Oh, I gotta do it for the gram, boy. I gotta do it for the gram.
Excuse me. So you doing? Are you taking this spot?
Do you want to try it?
Those 2 trees? I'm gonna watch you do it. I ain't doing it. How's yours coming along, honey?
I hope good. I don't really remember completely how to do this.
Oh boy.
That sounds like a dinosaur.
A lot of thorns. That's almost too close together, I think. I don't know. What do I know?
I think I'm gonna have.
How's it going, Matthew?
I think it's gonna work.
Go ahead, buddy.
That's not it. Crap.
I'll get your shoes once you get in there. Never mind, you got it. This is too good.
This is totally worth it. No. Ow.
That was good.
Do what?
Huh? Muddy toes. How do you feel now that you made it in there?
I feel like $1,000,000.
All right, I'm gonna go get mine done.
Hey, will you hand me my tuna?
Yeah, I get your tuna, big
Please.
tuna. Do what?
Oh. No. I don't know why the edges are loose like that.
Because you're not stretched out.
My body?
So if you guys remember the last time I set my hammock up, it took me a couple tries. These trees are a little bit further apart, so please help me. Hi, baby. How's it going in there?
Good.
Having fun?
Yeah.
I think I just got stung by something.
Where?
On the back of my leg.
So I can jump down on my shoe. Yeah, I see it.
I just about died by wasp and bees. Now I gotta think of a new location. I don't know what to do. I want to be by the water. Maybe I'll just try to live it out, huh? I'll live it out. I'm tough. I'm a man. Just like I said, I can handle it. I'm a man. I just don't want to get stung. And now I'm swinging right there. The wasp goes, dude. I'd be so pissed.
Me too. Buy us Chacos.
No!
Yeah!
No!
Oh, it's so cute!
Yeah, they're like little baby prawns.
Oh, there's another one.
Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. See you when I see you. Bye.
Oh, there's another one. He's so cute.